So yeah, I I was realized something that I should do my own death battle channel, and and so death battle creators, Wisdom and Boomstick, will learn to respect me. And so I created this death battle. It'll be it it'll it'll be the it'll be the cartoon styles. It'll be a cartoon death battle between Felix the Cat, Mickey Mouse, and Cuphead. Just so, just first we'll start up with Felix the Cat, and here we go. Here we go, Felix the Cat. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
But now, Felix is living the visions he saw, and over the...
Hey, Max.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready to go, yep.
Alright, let the episode commence.
Here's Felix the Cat.
Wow, it's hard to believe that this cat has actually been around for 100
Well,
years.
100 years,
I think it's
guys.
about time he was given the versus spotlight.
Felix the Cat was originally created all the way back in 1919.
1919.
And since then, we've learned a few things about his past. Most specifically, he grew up alongside his group of friends, including Kitty, who is now his girlfriend. And as a baby, he would often
Do you
visit
see
his
this,
older
guys?
self to see what his future
These
is
are
like.
all of his stats and
Now,
things.
Felix is living the visions he saw, and over the years, this cat has gotten strong and crazy fast.
He can casually bend solid metal poles and prison bars. He can dodge arrows, and he reacted and tanked lightning multiple times. Plus, he's durable enough to survive in the vacuum of space, and can even survive Vavoom's shouting. For the record, Vavoom's shouting is strong enough to destroy entire mountains.
Felix may look nice, but he's no pushover. He's shown to be very formidable in combat, with experience in sword fighting and boxing. He's so skilled with a blade that while fighting a pirate, his sword turned bright red and welded with the other pirate's sword. He's gone toe-to-toe with foes much bigger than himself, and even once fought intergalactic foes, one of which even stole the entire planet Earth.
Felix also has an arsenal on his side. He has a pair of eye protectors that allow him to defend against hypnosis, a variety of firearms, and even his own body, which we'll get to later. For now, his most iconic weapon,
The magic bag.
a bright yellow handbag decorated with small X's.
This might not seem threatening, but this bag has the ability to transform into literally anything Felix wants it to. It can become spaceships, cannons, animals, planes, swords, and even a giant continent-sized foot. And the bag is even alive. If Felix somehow loses it, he just needs to whistle, and it'll come right back to him.
This bag's sentience allows it to grow arms and legs, and sumo wrestle. The bag has a mirror to deflect its foes' attacks, and the bag even has a lightsaber, which it's very skilled with. The bag is also a dimensional portal, clustering an entire dimension inside of it. Said dimension is very topsy-turvy, and the inhabitants of said dimension can even follow Felix out of it.
But most of all, it can be used to help Felix transform into his superhero alter ego, the Black Cat.
Okay, bag, I'm gonna need a cool costume and some powers. Good.
This form allows Felix to manipulate the luck of others, giving them inherently bad luck, and giving him inherently good luck. He can also stretch his limbs, and if scaled to the bag of Felix himself, then this form is most likely faster than the speed of light. And to top it all off, despite being a clear Superman homage, this form is immune to magical abilities.
Yeah.
All of this is really impressive, but what if his foe gets the bag? Well, that's no biggie, as Felix is the only person who can utilize the bag. No one can make it move or transform.
Yep, you heard us right. Felix is faster than the speed of light. He's outran his own shadow. He's piloted ships that travel to other planets in minutes, and kept up with foes who have similar reaction speeds.
Most impressively, Felix was able to pilot this spaceship, which travelled from Earth to the entry point of the Milky Way in under a minute, and the other end of the Milky Way to Earth in a few seconds. This would make Felix the cat's reaction speed and potentially attack speed, given how fast his limbs would have to be moving to accomplish this, over 26 billion times the speed of
26
light.
And using some of
billion.
Felix's other speed feats, like reacting while piloting a ship that traveled to Venus in a few minutes, and so many other ship piloting feats and traveling across the Milky Way himself, Felix the cat should definitely be significantly above the speed of light.
Felix also has fourth wall awareness. He can interact with the audience, use exclamation marks and question marks as weapons, and can even tear anyone he wants off of the cartoon and tear them up like paper.
Not to mention, Felix can use the animator's whiteout to erase foes' abilities, like when he got rid of the Grim Reaper's powers with it. And Felix can also use a television remote to manipulate his reality in many ways. He can stop time, fast forward time, and reverse time. And finally, he can use the animator's eraser to erase anything he wants, adding another method Felix has to bypass his opponent's durability. Speaking of which, Felix can grab onto the outlines of his foes and pull it away.
Can he take down the most famous mouse in fiction? Let's look at what he can do and find out. Felix is more than willing to resort to violence if threatened, despite being a really nice person overall, often manipulating and tricking his foes to make them look the fool.
Don't mistake this all for perfection. Felix often finds himself getting into dangerous situations and being too trusting of others due to how nice he can be.
You take down the most famous mouse in fiction.
And Cuphead.
Let's look at what he can do and find out.
And that was Felix the cat, entering in death battle for this battle. And also we're checking out Kingdom Hearts Mickey. Just Kingdom Hearts Mickey with this Keyblade and some magic. That includes a Firega, Blizzardga, and also not Kyurga. Remember, not Kyurga because that's like full health. Thunderga, and also, and that's it. And also, and then also for Cuphead, he has super arts, just like a swirling vortex with his own head, on his head, and also invincibility, and also those are the only two, and then also for the styles of his fingers, we're going for fully auto, single fire, and also tracking. And so let's get the triple threat death battle started. Let's go. It's time for a death battle. It starts out with Cuphead walking and whistling, and then also but Felix the cat just came here and like say, hey, that was mine. That was mine first, and mine second, and two is more than one. Cuphead said, and then Mickey Mouse said, oh guys, can we settle things more fair and more extreme, or kind of extreme? There is a way. And rocket fire. Let's go. Oh, fight. Oh, this is gonna be good. Huh, 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 huh. 3, 2, 1, go! And oh, reflect. Ha! Wait. I thought that it said reflect. But it didn't. Oh, but it didn't discount reflect. Woo. A sword, please. To make this a keyblade versus a sword battle. Yeah, 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 yeah. Huh. You know what? You know what? You want other me? I guess that was that other me. Just a keyblade does not that half bad. It's not half bad. What? Oh, that was close. That was close. Did you guys forget about me? Let's go! Boom! Oh, oh. And then Cuphead ends cause cause he vanquished Mickey. Magic bag, turn me into a superhero and give me cool powers. Yeah, baby boy. Ugh. And drinking him inside of his head, and then just dropped him, and then boom. I had better. That's over. Well, well, that was. Well, I guess that was awesome, and on a free spirited sort of way. Free spirited, not a free spirited sort of way. And river me back, and it's not Felix. Cat just hugs his magic bag, and then boom, KO. KO. Okay, wait. Really? Just, you forgot about his speed. And how did he win? How did he win, you may ask? Well, because one word, two words, his speed. His speed to, his speed was able to dodge the super art number 1 of Cuphead, and 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 then Felix got turned into Black Cat, and also he drank the top of his head, just like this, just like a gentleman, and just boom, and then he said, "I had better," and then the winner, and 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 it looks like Cuphead and Mickey Mouse's 9 lives are over. The winner is Felix the Cat. Felix the Cat. This is what next on Death Battle. Lupin the Third versus Sly Cooper. This is what next on Death Battle. That's what's next time on Death Battle. Next time on Death Battle, Lupin the Third versus Sly Cooper. See you guys. See you guys until that comes. So, bye.